This was my view this morning as I woke up. That is Saddleback Mountain. And it is gorgeous. What a peaceful day it is. Today we're going to hike 𝙗𝙗𝙧𝙧𝙧 Falls. It's a rest area. Very nice one at that. You just pull down in here and park and go hike to the falls. What a beautiful waterfall. And it's been raining, so the water is stirred up and brown. But it is beautiful here. Somebody has a camping chair. And they're just camping out here, I guess. I don't know. Oh, here we go. It's a long way down, but we're going to go down and get closer to the fall. Hang on. Oh, wow. What a view from here. Isn't that gorgeous? That is absolutely stunning. I'll hike down here to the flat area of the falls. Ooh, slipping and sliding. Let's be careful here. A little bit of access. They say they go swimming here in the summertime. The kids do. Nice little walking trail. It is a little wet and muddy because it's been raining. But we're not going to let no liquid sunshine hamper our adventures. Let's go get wet. Ooh, that's a nice rock right there that you can walk out on. I bet it is slippery. Let me see if I can get down to it. Huh? Yeah. Alright, we're out on this rock. And it goes out there. They have rocks piled up on top of that rock there. Looks like the falls split and goes two different ways. Wow, that's cool. Let's keep going. But first of all, I got to get back up this little thing here without falling down. Not too bad. Alright. Let's keep going and see what else we can find. Let's see, let's go this way. I see some rocks here that somebody has stacked up. Closer and closer to the falls, and I think we can go right over there to that flat rock. Now this looks slippery. Let's be careful. You do not want to fall, and that is slippery. Ooh, that's slippery. Alright, be careful. There we go, we got to it. go down and see if we can get on that one. Let's see, let's go this way first. Get a good view here. We'll get down here. Easy does it. Just go out on this rock. Wow. And then it goes down to another fall there. So let's keep going and see if we can get on a rock to see it. Absolutely beautiful. There's a vase of flowers with a butterfly. So I don't know if somebody lost their life here. It's a possibility. Someone lost their life here. Wow. How many times have I said wow, guys? This is amazing. So right over there is where the kids stand and jump off down into there in the summertime to go swimming. I don't know how they get back out. Oh, and the fence is broke. Woo, I feel the mist coming off of the falls. Wow. Beautiful.
I hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close. So we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? There's so much more than we've been told, way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter.